Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amandeep and I'm back with another project. So this is one of the beginner level hospital project. Uh, Hospital generally don't have prefer this kind of small projects, but yeah, normal physicians or simple physicians may prefer this kind of small projects. So there are some quick links like contact us about this or home. So let's just not waste time going on this. Let me just log in and show you the functionality, how actually works and what is doing. Login success. So only few functionalities are available here, like doctor, patients, and appointment. So a normal physician, doctors can use this kind of projects regularly. These are some quick links I will show you later on in the end of the video. Before that, let me quickly show you all this sublinks points. So start by adding an appointment. So we can add appointment for the patients which are available. Before that, before adding an appointment, we need to add a patient as well. So before adding appointment, let me just add in patient so it will get more clear to you. So patient name can be again Ram, gender can be male, mobile number 9, address no. So currently four patients are available. Let me add one doctor as well. So it will give us idea about adding an appointment. Because before adding an appointment, patients and doctor is also need to be available for that. For this doctor, we can say Doctor Sham, Sham Gill, and mobile number again. Specialty is heart. So two doctors are available right now. Talking about this search functionality, delete functionality, and of course this crucial functionality of downloading PDF and as well. I will show you in last aspect as well. So now let me quickly add an appointment. So we just added an patient. So that patient is available here, Ram with ID as well. Doctor, we just added like there are two doctors available as we see. So we will select Sham. Appointment date can be today only, or we can say 5 of hours. And time also we can select. So it can be 4:42 p.m. and add that. So it's successfully added. So here is all set. It's showing appointment page. We just added a RAM functionality. So I will show you basically what this tutorials will do by going with dashboard. So it will give you idea how dashboards work. So dashboard is one of the important thing any of the projects. So we can view available doctors, we can view available patients, and we can view available appointments as well. So we can go with patients. So one, two, three, four patients are available. So we can just click here and delete the patient. We can search patient by name, by gender. Okay, all three are male, so if we not search, we can search it by address. There may be some issue. Okay, maybe there will be some issue. We can search it by ID as well. Yeah, actually it's case sensitive and all three has Indore, that's why it's not searching. If this one has not Indore, then it will search this too. So it's working fine, but it's not searching. We can search it by mobile number and all. So lastly, we can have this few functionalities like we can copy the data and paste in Notepad or everywhere we want. We can download in Excel, we can do in CSV, and we can download in PDF. Let me show you to know how can we download in PDF. Let me just click here. Yeah, it's successfully downloaded. It's getting open. It takes little time because it needs to be downloaded and then open. So it downloaded twice. Let me just move on. So hospital management.pdf, the project name comes here. So this is the list like Ram, Sanju, and Mr. Gupta, all three patients available here. So in this way, this functionality works, and we can just love it. So I hope you like my project. I like to view your feedback in comment section. If you like this project, like it, share it, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.